We can see the future. We can see your future, and it's dark, cold, and lonely. Your business will die unless you change. Unless you embrace the new world, you will become obsolete. The only question is, are you ready to change? Are you ready to learn about the new world? Hey, if you're not into clickbait, then stick around because we're going to answer the question, what is digital marketing and how does it work? And in the end, you will know whether you want to be part of this new world or not. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. It's free. So, why not? What is digital marketing? In simple terms, digital marketing is how companies market themselves online. It's like a big umbrella that covers many different ways to market your business, from social media to search engines to email. But wait, hold up. You already know that. So what does it mean to be a digital marketer? A digital marketer is someone who helps businesses reach their customers through online channels. They use different strategies to promote products or services and help the business grow. Sounds easy, right? Well, it's not. Being a successful digital marketer takes a lot of hard work, creativity, and a willingness to learn new things constantly. Why? Because the digital marketing landscape is always changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. And digital marketers need to stay up to date with all the latest trends and technologies. But that's also what makes being a digital marketer so exciting. There's always something new to learn and new challenges to overcome. But here's the truth. Most businesses need digital marketing, but they just don't know it yet. You see, in today's world, people spend a lot of time online. They use search engines to find information, connect with friends on social media, and read reviews before making a purchase decision. This means that if you want to reach your target audience, you need to have a strong online presence. Otherwise, you'll be like a tree making no noise in the forest. No one will even know you exist. But here's the thing. Many businesses still rely on traditional marketing methods such as print advertising, television, and radio. And that's a big mistake. Don't get us wrong. These methods can still be effective, but they're not as targeted or cost-effective as digital marketing. And here's where you come in. As a digital marketer, you can help businesses reach their target audience more effectively and efficiently. You can show them the light, help them break through the noise, and connect with their customers in a meaningful way. So if you're ready to be part of this new world, then congratulations, you've already taken the first step towards becoming a digital marketer. Now you need to learn the skills and get the experience to be successful. Learn about search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing, and then start working on projects to build your portfolio. Trust us, there will never be a perfect time to start. There will always be something that comes up that prevents you from taking action. But the best time is now. If you want to be successful, you need to start today. Don't wait for things to be perfect, because they never will be. And here's the best part. You don't have to do this alone. There are tons of resources available to help you learn and grow as a digital marketer. There are countless online courses, tutorials, and articles that can teach you everything you need to know. But remember, the most important thing is to take action. Don't just learn about digital marketing. Put your knowledge into practice and help businesses succeed. The world needs digital marketers who can help businesses thrive in this new world, and you can be one of them. The choice is yours. Will you embrace the new world of digital marketing, or will you let your business die? The future is dark, cold, and lonely. Only you can change it.